Hey there! Today we're diving into a data manipulation problem that involves calculating the sum of collected volumes for vouchers over a certain period. The problem revolves around determining the collected volumes for each date and its 12-month future date. Let's talk about the solution now. By utilizing a lateral join with a values constructor, we can efficiently handle the calculation of collected volumes. The first SQL query groups the data by the collected date and its 12-month future date to display the sum of collected volumes. This method allows for reading the table only once, optimizing the process. Continuing with the solution approach, the second SQL query splits the aggregation step into a derived table. This method enhances efficiency by aggregating the data first, and then performing calculations using the lateral join with a values constructor. The result showcases the collected volumes for each date and its corresponding 12-month future date. Now, let's explore another SQL query that provides a slightly different perspective on the solution. This query groups the data solely by the values date, offering an alternative result from an accounting standpoint. The lateral join with a values constructor facilitates the grouping of collected volumes for each date without the intermediary step of grouping by the collected date. To wrap things up, we discussed multiple SQL solutions for calculating collected volumes for vouchers efficiently. By leveraging lateral joins and values constructors, we can streamline the process and gain valuable insights from the data. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!